Hey everybody, it's Elizabeth. I haven't done a video in forever, and I just was watching a bunch of grocery hauls and I thought, I have to do this. I went today, our local store was having beans, 2 for $1. So I ended up getting 5 cases of different kinds of beans, and then 2 cases of tomatoes. They have diced tomatoes that are chili ready and diced tomatoes that have either Italian seasoning or something else. So all of those, these are $6 a flat. So that'll last us for a while. Then I stopped at the pantry, which is a produce, it's a bulk food place. And they had squash for 89 cents a piece. And then they also had the butternut squash for 89 cents each. Not a pound, but each. So I got 9 of each. They'll last. They'll keep in the basement through the winter. The grocery store had the brown rice, and it's 2 pounds for $1. So I got 2 of those. Potatoes, we got a 10-pound bag. They had a 5-pound bag on sale for $2.99. Then I saw these in the markdown section, and this is a 10-pound bag for $1.99. And it just has, it looks like one that has a little bit of a soft spot on it. They don't look beautiful, but potatoes really aren't that good this year here anyways in this area. So my potatoes did not turn out that well this year. So, but I was pretty excited. 10 pounds for $1.99. They were having like a sale on all their teas. They were 2 for $5, so we stocked up on those. All the different ones. Just the normal stuff we get. The grape nuts for my husband, and the almond milk. Chopped broccoli. And then they had a 10 for 10 sale. So the potato stroganoff, excuse me, popcorn, and I don't know what else it was. Well, I guess I got 3 of those, and then some of those. But my husband's driving over the road now, so he can take a box of this for $1 and make him a meal in his crock pot. So for under $2, he can have a good meal on the road every once in a while. Then I got some grapes. They were $1.29 a pound, so I got 2 of those. Some fresh green beans. What else did I get? Strawberries and broccoli salad and tomatoes. So I got our weekly groceries, which would be like the produce and the milk, the grape nuts, and the potatoes maybe. And then these other things I got as a stock up kind of thing. We would eat these also. We don't eat meat typically, eat more plant-based recently. So the beans we buy instead of meat, so for protein sources. So, but I wanted to share that. Pretty excited. I got this spice also at the same store where I got these for $2.30 for this whole big thing of cumin versus those little teeny ones you get at the store. And then the smoked paprika. A good recipe for black bean and butternut squash chili that uses these 2 items, and I will put that down below. It's best the next day, but it's good anyway. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I will put the total at the bottom because I'm outside getting ready to bring these into the basement, and I just wanted to do this real quick. So hope you guys are having an amazing year. Do what you love. Love you. Bye.